Hello everybody, welcome to asciiZOOM, the alternative terminal-based video conferencing software for you. It's called that because it's fast. Due to the pandemic going on right now, I'm sure you're all intimately familiar with this software called Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing software that also has chat features, and anyone from universities to government ministries are using it. Despite this popularity, a lot of companies and governments have banned the use of Zoom for internal affairs, including Google, NASA, SpaceX, and the Australian Defence Force. These groups cite a misleading advertisement on Zoom's part. For instance, Zoom claims its meetings are end-to-end encrypted, meaning that even its servers don't know what information is being transported. In reality, only the chat is end-to-end encrypted. The video and screen share are visible to anyone at Zoom. Additionally, Zoom came with a few security exploits on the Mac, for instance, refusing to allow itself to be uninstalled, instead reinstalling itself secretly in the background. For these reasons and more, we've decided to take it upon ourselves to create asciiZOOM, the first text-based in-your-terminal video conferencing software. asciiZOOM transmits a blazing fast 150p image, maybe 10 times a second. This is fast enough to allow students to gesture when they need help from the professor, for instance in an online class. This HD-like quality allows teachers and professors alike to share their screen to the class. Due to the lack of adoption and difficulty of setup, we assure you that no one else will be using asciiZOOM to bomb your meetings. Because of these extensive features, we know that you and your students will love the peace of mind that comes from learning in a secure environment. Thank you for watching. So people have been making ASCII art almost as long as the computer's been around. And this is when you just arrange characters in a way that resembles an actual picture. While it's usually done manually, you can also do this automatically, which is how we are doing it. So you start with an image, and you convert it to grayscale, and then you downscale it to this tiny image. And then you take each pixel, and you convert them into a character that is approximately that dark. Because characters are about twice as tall as they are wide, we then have to squish down the image to about half its size in order to make the final image look okay when it's printed out. We started off playing with actual symbols and letters, but then we figured out ASCII just had these black and gray squares, which was just perfect for what we needed it for. From there, all you have to do is capture the webcam continuously, run it through this asciifier, and then send it over a socket to your friend, and they have to do the same to you. We were able to do this by setting up a server that just forwarded one person's request to the other person, but you can also do this by port forwarding and then connecting directly. The frequent jumping comes from just the lack of VSync control that we have over the printing and how fast the monitor refreshes. Basically, it's not my fault. The setup and the code files are included in a GitHub link down below. Thanks for watching.